December is National Safe Gifts and Toys Month, so First Energy really wants to encourage people to think about electrical safety as they're giving holiday gifts this year. Drones remain one of the hottest holiday gifts, and just like driving a car, they come with a lot of responsibility. They're super fun when you know how to use them right, but we're urging people to take precautions and also know the safety rules before you open up that gift. To help new drone flyers, we've also created a video game of sorts online. You can log in and race drones while learning some of the safety rules that come with flying your own drone. We recommend people stay at least 200 feet away from our substations and power equipment. Flying them too close to electrical equipment can cause serious damage and pose significant safety risks. Beyond drones, if a toy requires batteries, be safe about where those batteries are stored. And finally, it's also really important to avoid overloading extension cords and outlets.